This is going to be your new favorite chicken breast recipe. I swear it's easy enough for a weeknight, but fancy enough if you're having guests over or just want something a little bit nicer than usual. It's prosciutto and mozzarella stuffed chicken breast with a crispy topping full of Parmesan cheese. It is so tasty, so gooey and juicy inside. I can't wait for you to try this dish. Start with 4 large chicken breasts. Slice them about halfway through, but not all the way through. You want to butterfly them, and then you want to put a plastic sheet over them and pound them out with a mallard. I think that's what it's called. Or is it a mallet? I use so many different tools. Then it's time to make the crispy topping. In a small bowl, mix together a 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese, freshly grated, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper. Give it a stir. Then it's time to stuff the chicken breast with the fixins. So you're gonna put out 1 chicken breast that's been flattened, a 1/2 tablespoon or so of that mixture, 1 slice of prosciutto, and 4 slices of mozzarella cheese. I love to use the fresh kind because it melts so nicely. Then it's time to assemble. Now you could kind of roll from one end to the other, but I really like to stuff these thick, so I feel it's easier to move all the sides of the chicken to the center and secure them with toothpicks. Add the prepared chicken roll-ups to a baking dish that's roomy enough so they don't touch. Spritz all over with a little olive oil, about 1/2 teaspoon each, and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of that crispy topping. At this point, I like to pop in a wireless thermometer so I know what temp it's cooking, and I like to spritz the outside with a little more olive oil. These bake in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 35 minutes, just depending on how big they are. They turn out so tender and juicy. At the end, I like to finish them off with a little basil on top and admire their beauty. This is such an easy weeknight meal. I hope you try it soon. You're going to love that crispy topping. It is so delicious, and it's amazing how juicy and tender the inside stays. Make sure to take out those toothpicks before you serve and let them rest about 5 or 10 minutes so all the juices settle in and they keep that shape. The inside should be nice and gooey from that fresh mozzarella. If you love easy weeknight recipes, make sure to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list. I send you new ideas each week so you're inspired to cook. Like always, you can print out this recipe at sipbitego.com. Delicious.